Okay guys, let's create the 2D scene with the tile map. So first we'll use the tile map to create the ground. So we have to click right in the hierarchy window, then select the 2D object and then tile map. Then we have to click on window of the menu of Unity interface and then select 2D and after tile palette. Second, we'll set up the ground with tile. We'll name this ground and we'll give a tag in the inspector window as ground. We'll set up the background by changing its transforms, I mean its position, rotation and scale through the icon on the top. Third, we will create a scenery. We will insert some trees, bushes and so on. Fourth, we'll create the player with the Ninja file directory. We'll use what we call a box collider for the player and even the ground. We will insert for the player a rigid body for the gravity, and then we'll make the player as a prefab. Inside the scene we'll put some objects like coins with box collider also, some dead zone, I mean dangerous zone, where the player must not go. And finally we'll complete the scene with two boxes collider in the extreme point of the scene to stuck the player inside the scene. Let's do that, guys. Okay guys, let's follow the first instructions. So in the hierarchy window we have to click right and select 2D object and then tile map. Second, we have to go in the Windows menu, select 2D and then tile palette. So what is the tile map? The tile map is first a grid, as you see here, and we'll put some tiles, any of those tiles, in the tile map to create, the ground. Let's do something simple, like I will build, a ground with 4 tiles in the Y direction and let's say 48 tiles in the X direction. So let's prepare this ground. Okay guys, let's create the first tiles. So you have first to select this icon and then you select the tiles you want. I will take the first one, this one, by clicking on it, and now you can see it appears here. So let's say I will put 48 tiles in that direction. So 1, 2, and if I keep the left click button, I can continue like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's manipulate like that. I think I put some, yeah, I put some 26, so I have to put even 22 more. So let's do it faster. So guys, now I'll put 4 in the Y direction. So for example, select I will select these tiles to put down here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we can complete like that, until the 48 in the X direction. It's enough fast actually, and here it is.